Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. It's a full face by UJV products. Now, this is our contour palette. I dab it on my eyebrow. I dab it to get rid of those excess oil. And after doing that, I go in with my pencil to line my eyebrow to give it a good shape. And I fill it in with my same brown pencil. I fill it in. After filling it in, I go in with my concealer from the UJV products. Yes, in my shade. In a 2 shade lighter than me. I highlight my eyebrow. I highlight it neatly and blend it. Can you see? Can you see the blend, everybody? It's so smooth and flawless. Can you see the blend? Then I'll go into my foundation to the upper part. Don't use your concealer to blend the upper part because it might be too light. It needs to blend with your skin very well. So that's why I would advise you use your foundation shade. Use it, blend it well. Till anybody cannot see any. Can you see? Can you see how it blends and melts into the skin? Like there's nothing there. That's how you need to do it. Then for the eyeshadow base, we're going to be using the same concealer. Can you see how I am putting it on my eyelid? I blend it out effortlessly. Can you see? It is blending so seamless. I don't really know how to explain it, but trust me, guys, this is blending so well without stress. Then with our eyeshadow palette, I go in with my color green. Yeah, can you see all the green? It's popping and it's so pigmented. Can you see? Can you see it? Now after the green, I go in with that same contour palette to blend it well, to get rid of those ash lines. Can you see? I'm blending it very well with the same contour palette from the UJV. I'm blending it very well. And after that, I'm going with our eyeliner, our almighty eyeliner. The eyeliner is very pointy and it will achieve what you want in no time. After using the eyeliner, you outline it very well. Then we're going with our mascara. Can you see our mascara? From the same UJV. After the eyeliner, then we're going into our foundation. That's where the job begins. Foundation. After the foundation, we pick our foundation brush. We'll blend it. Guys, can you see? Can you see the blending, guys? Can you see the blending and the extra glows it gives to the face? It's blending so seamlessly, so effortlessly. Can you see? Can you see how the glow is coming out? We've not finished this look and it's popping already. Can you see, guys? Blend it very well. Blend it. After it's been well blended. Can you see? After it's been well blended, we go in again with our concealer to highlight our T-zones. Can you see? You highlight your T-zone. Highlight your T-zone. Can you see? My inner corner to my nose. The outer corner of my eye. Then after applying everything, can you see my jawline, my upper eye, the nose? Can you see it? With the same UJV products. The way this product is performing magic is so wonderful. The only thing I like about this product, let me not say the only thing. One thing I like about this product, it's so easy to blend. I don't know why. That is the only thing I can say. For my beginners, for learners and professionals, if you need a product that will blend without stress, please, I recommend this product. You're blending it so can you see? It's blending in so well that nobody can even see any ash line when you blend. Then I'll go into our contour palette. I'll pick the lighter shade to highlight the T-zone. Can you see I'm highlighting my T-zone? I'm highlighting the T-zone. And after the T-zone has been well highlighted, I would show you. Can you see? To my forehead, I highlight it very well. And after it's been done, I would go in with my contour shade to highlight my nose again. The dark shade in the contour palette. In the same UJV contour palette to highlight my nose. Can you see? I contour it very well. Then I contour the cheek, the upper head. And now I want to set my face with our UJV banana setting powder. Can you see how I'm setting my T-zone again? I'm setting it again so that this look can pop out very well. Don't forget your T-zone is very, very important when you are creating a look. It needs to pop out. Don't forget that. Guys, can you see how it's popping? Can you see the glow? Now I want to highlight my contour. Can you see? Can you see how the baking powder is doing the magic? It's really doing the magic. Now we go into our blush. I'm using the orange shade. Can you see how the orange shade? See, guys, you don't need to use too much. Just a little will go a long way. Then I use the dark green, the same green, to darken the lower part of my lash a little bit. Then I'll blend it. I'll go in with the my shade to blend out all these products, to blend it out. Guys, this is blending effortlessly. No stress. Just continue to dab it in. Dab it on your skin. Can you see, guys? Can you see? It's just like, this thing is not cakey or anything. It is blending so effortlessly. I don't know. I just like that about the product. It's blending well. Blending well without stress. Can you see it, guys? Can you see how my cheek is chicken? Now to the lashes from the UJV. Can you see my lashes? Oh, bird. It's bird. I love it. I love it. Now we want to go into the lips. Yeah, the lips. With the leaves, we'll be highlighting our leaves with the charcoal shade from UJV. Yes, the same UJV. We have our lipstick. If you want to get yours, please go into the link in my bio. All the products are available for you to shop. It is very much available. Go into the link in my bio. Shop as long as you want. Shop as much as your pockets can afford. And then I go in with my concealer. Can you see? Your concealer can also perform that magic. In the middle, I put in my concealer. I blend it together. I blend it together, and I gloss it. Apply the lip gloss. Now, can you see the final look of this product? Can you see my hair is brushed? Yeah. Can you see the final look? Guys, don't tell me you haven't run into my bio now to get yours. Yes, because I love it, and I love the finished look. The finished look with our palettes, everything works magic. Can you see? The eyeshadow palette, it works magic. The blush palette works magic. It works magic, and it blends well into the skin. That's our banana powder. You would use it and recommend it to your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That's the lips. For the lips, I achieved this with the lips. That is the Almighty Foundation that blends effortlessly into the skin. Thank you all so much. I love